What is Forex trading? Forex trading is the world's largest financial market with a daily turnover of over $6 trillion. It's where currencies are bought and sold like USD for EUR. Traders aim to profit from currency fluctuations. These fluctuations are influenced by economic events. Prices move based on supply and demand. News can impact currency value. How do you trade Forex? First, you need a trading account with a broker. Choose a currency pair to trade. You can buy if you think the currency will rise, or sell if you think it will fall. Risk management is key. Set stop losses to protect your capital. Successful trading requires analysis. Technical analysis uses charts and indicators, while fundamental analysis considers global events. Combine both for a stronger strategy. Forex trading often involves leverage. Leverage lets you control a large position with a small amount of money, but it can also magnify losses. Always trade with caution and discipline. If you're new, start small and learn as you go. Invest only what you can afford to lose. With practice, you can develop your skills. Subscribe for more.